Okay guys, so I'm nice and dressed. The bath. I'm gonna just wear something very simple to my son's soccer practice, very like comfortable and cozy. I'm gonna just put on a little bit of makeup so I feel like I'm put together. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and then get my son ready for soccer, and then we're out the door. I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna make a protein shake. Hey guys, so I did go to the gym this morning, so I am having a protein shake for lunch. This video is in collaboration with TEAMI Blends, and they were sweet enough to send me this wellness protein, and I chose the chocolate flavor. So far I love it. I've been trying it out for about a week now, and I don't have any complaints. I love to mix it with the vanilla flavored almond milk and my vanilla protein powder as well. And it's like the perfect amount of chocolate. It doesn't taste too chocolatey. It's like perfect. And I'm putting it in this tumbler that I got from Amazon. You can definitely use their tumblers, but since we were going to be outside for a while for my son's soccer practice, I wanted to keep it cold. So a couple good things about this protein is that it has 17 grams of vegan plant-based protein. I love the fact that the chocolate flavor is not overpowering. It does keep you full throughout the day. And I love the fact that it's versatile, so you can enjoy it with water or milk. And also that it has a great price point. So it retails on TEAMIblends.com for $31.99, but if you use my code Sharia30 on a minimum purchase of $44 or more, you do get 30% off of your order, which is awesome. So if you always wanted to try a protein powder or any type of wellness products, they have amazing things on their website. Now is the time to try. So yeah, go ahead and click the link in the bio. All of the information will be listed down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. That's really good. Hi, son. You're doing great. You want some of my protein shake? Yeah. You guys did awesome out there, son.
Yep, I sure did.
Who's team one?
The Ninja Nuts.
Who was the Ninja Nuts? What team were you on?
I was on the Minecraft Sharks.
Oh, so the other guys won? Oh man.
I should have won.
I know.
I scored 1 point.
I know, I saw you. I'm super proud of you. Well, we have a haircut appointment for him at 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go home and relax for a few. It's 12 right now. So we got a little bit of time to just chill, let him get all cleaned up and stuff for his haircut appointment. And I guess we'll figure out what we're doing after that. Hey guys, so we just got home. I know my brows are a little crazy. I didn't fill them in, and when I do my makeup and stuff, powder and all that crap gets on top of them, so they don't look like they would typically look without any fallout on them, I guess. Let me close my door. So I just got home, and I seen a delivery guy on my Ring doorbell, and I was like, it looked like someone dropped something and ran off, or either stole something by my front door. So as soon as we got home from soccer, I checked, and lo and behold, it's a PR package. Yay me! So this is from Drew Barrymore's company, Flower Bee. So look, this is what they sent over, and I cannot wait to try it. It is the titanium rotating styling iron. Super cool. I cannot wait to try this. So the next day we just did some shopping and got out for a little bit. It was really nice to get some fresh air and get out of the house. So this concludes this weekend's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. It definitely helps my channel out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.